Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to play the game called Mixit, which is available on Steam. First of all, you need to open the Steam application on your PC or on your laptop. Once you are inside, use the search bar here on the top, then search for Mixit. Now in the search results, our game is the first one. When you click on it, you will be landed here on the product page or the game page of this particular game. Here, when you scroll down a bit, you will notice that a special promotion is currently going on in which you will get this particular game at 70% off. But the best part is that you can get this game absolutely for free. This particular video has a special giveaway. If this video reaches the 500 views, I will be giving away 10 free Steam keys of Mixit to 10 different people. So to enter into this giveaway, all you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment that you want the Mixit key. You can also share this particular video with as many friends as you can share with. Now I will be randomly selecting the winners once the target is reached. Now if you become the winner of this giveaway, in order to redeem this Steam key, all you need to do is you need to hover over to the game tab here on the top. Afterwards, click on the option of activate a product on Steam. Once you see this type of page in front of you, you will have to paste the key over here, then click on the option of confirm. This way, this particular game will be added in your Steam library absolutely for free. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.